for something better than this. Moving on, we actually have the man, the inspiration, the mission, Dr. Sudarshan Acharya. Else can tell us better than him what Lead India has done so far and what Lead India should do going forward. Acharya, over to you, please.
Lead India, lead India, lead India. My humble respects to Her Excellency Governor Dr. Honorable Dr. Tamilisai Soundarajan Madam, who is creating a stamping in the hearts of the poor and common people of Telangana. And today, it is the God's grace that it is flowing by her lighting of the lamp for celebrating Dr. Kalamji's 90th birthday. Similarly, it is God's grace that our youth icon, who is the hope of youth of today's India, our Honorable State Home Minister, G. Kishan Reddy Garu, and all my friends, Dr. Bandi Parthasarathi Reddy Garu, who has been supporting this movement like a backbone right from its inception, not only from Lead India, right from Balabharati days, almost from 30 years. And today he is proving that this model can be a sustainable foundational literacy, a pilot project for the whole of the nation. Similarly, it is Pullala Gopisan, who is our president as well as brand ambassador, who is taking this a small NGO, managed by a few with the help of a few 2-3 individuals, taking it to the Pan India, and Dr. Rajat Kumar ji and all my past and present trustees, steering committee members, all our trainers, principals, students, teachers, all media people, all those who have been supporting this. At the outset, I wish to share and submit to all of you that from last 40 years, whatever Dr. Rajat Garu mentioned, my life has been spent on this. Honestly, I wish to share with all of you that though you all call me as a founder, I am not the founder. I do not know anything. It is all grace of God that has been running all through this. It is just like today, our Honorable Governor Madam, we have not expected that she will be inaugurating this program by lighting the lamp. This is a miracle. So also Home Minister presence. So also all this, whatever is now happening. And similarly, as the celebration of birthday of Dr. Abdul Kalamji, I become emotional, and by recollecting that he is one who has introduced a common man like me to Honorable Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh ji and his cabinet and to the whole of the nation. Similarly to our present Honorable Prime Minister Dr. Narendra Modi ji. So that is how the journey is being carried on. Though it is a NGO, it has got the objective of national transformation by implementing Dr. Swami Vivekananda's philosophy of man-making and nation building. So with that, Dr. Abdul Kalamji has made 12 years of his research, how a developing India can be a developed nation by 2020. She published in India 2020, and all my training programs were called from Balabhati to lead training program. That is how Lead and India 2020 together it has become Lead India 2020 Foundation and Acharya Kalam's Human Transformative Model, which today our President Dr. Pullala Gopichand has dedicated to this. Here I wish to share a few words about this model. When we eat any pills, medicines, we see what is there in this calcium, potassium, sodium, etc. When we eat food, we see what are the carbohydrates or fats or nutrients, etc. So also in whole of the education, for whole of the youth, in the education is the hub. Is the education is teaching the different dimensions of the human personality. Besides education, besides job, besides money, this Acharya Kalam's human transformation model takes the students to identify who are they, who am I. So physical living, mental thinking, intellectual deciding, so emotional balancing, social relating, so spiritual experiencing, and national services and values and skills in respect of all these dimensions have been inculcated in this model. This model, we have mapped it with the National Education Policy and submitted to the Honorable Minister Prakash Ji, MHRD Minister, and they have given us opportunity to give this as a part of the induction program. But now it has to be taken as a part of the national curriculum. So this could be the one of the real relaunching of the Lead India Foundation, as Dr. Kalamji called it as a national youth movement. This can happen only with the support and support of the government. Till now, it was only a voluntary movement with a few supporters like Dr. Parthasarathi Reddy Garu, Bandi Parthasarathi Reddy Garu, Kulala Gopichand, DJ Ramesh, and few others like that. So now we submit to the nation that how this model can be taken across the country, how this model can be a vehicle integrating with the national education policy. We have already given a mapping proposal. We are ready to give it further. So far, we have trained about 18 lakhs people, but the goal and the India needs is 20 crores people. Now, out of 20 crores, 10 crores people are studying in the government schools where they are all children of below poverty line. So here we commit and gave a proposal to the government that by 2022, that is by 75th independence year, we can replicate this common model across the country with the support of the government and achieve that literacy, as our Honorable Prime Minister has got a set a goal. So this is one movement where Sankalp Se Siddhi resolution passed by joint parliaments have been implemented in Khammam. So that is how this is, though it is a small NGO, we do not have much any muscle power of the finance or anything, but the model is there. So we honestly submit to our Honorable Governor Madam, Honorable Home Minister, and all of you, how this model can be taken to the whole of the India, where students are solving the national problems like poverty, illiteracy, etc. So this model we submit on this day to the nation in this relaunching, where foundational literacy and numeracy being experimented in Khammam can be replicated across the country. Thank you very much. I once again thank Honorable Governor Madam for giving her valuable time, Home Minister Sir, and all the dignitary supporters. May God bless all of you. Lead India, lead India, lead India.
Thank you, Akhil, for your motivational and aspirational words.